today we're going to do something a little bit different and touch a little bit about Google Analytics, which I would say 95% of business owners don't pay any attention to it. Majority of the website do have the analytics setup, but I believe only 18% of websites or website owners use analytics the right way. Analytics is a minefield, and this is why people don't use it, is because they don't know what to look at. There's so much data, it's data overload, and then you don't use it. But if you get the right metrics which are relevant for you and your business, then you are going to make data-driven decisions, and that is extremely important, because you don't want to go by your gut feeling that I think this is going to work, or I think that's going to work. You want the data in black and white, and then you decide whether it is working or not working. Okay, so let's move on to the goals. We are looking at micro goals and macro goals. Micro goals are the small steps. Macro goal is the main goal, where somebody signs up to your offer, buys a product, or whatever your call to action may be. These little goals or the micro goals are things like time on site, pages per session, video views. Did they scroll to the bottom of the page? Did they click any social media share button? Did they sign up to become your email subscriber? And so on. So all of these little goals or micro goals, they need to be tracked on the website. So how do we do that? Okay, so let's look at time on site first. When you're driving traffic from these various sources, Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, SEO, YouTube, you can see straight up in Google Analytics how long each traffic source or the people from these sources are staying on your website. If they're bouncing off after 5 seconds or less than 5 seconds, you know it's junk traffic. You don't want those people, right? So what you want to do is to track how many people come to your website, stay for 10 or more seconds, 30 or more seconds, or 60 or more seconds. Now you can work these out to however you want, because if you got some web pages which are very long to read, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes long, then you can track whatever. This is just for example. I'm not saying that you use the same time. You can make it 60 seconds, 120 or 240 or whatever you want, whatever works for you.